Are you looking for a B school that prioritizes discipline, values, and performance-driven learning with strong industry exposure? Welcome to IIEBM, Indus Business School, Pune, a premier business school with a legacy of over 2 decades in grooming ethically grounded and industry-ready professionals. IEBM offers a 2-year full-time PGDM program approved by AICTE, designed with a focus on experiential learning, global awareness, and personal development. The program features dual specialization options in marketing, finance, human resource management, business analytics, and supply chain management. At IIEBM, the emphasis is on holistic training. Students undergo more than 1,000 hours of training, including classroom lectures, guest sessions, workshops, outbound leadership programs, and simulation-based learning. The curriculum is designed in sync with industry expectations, ensuring every student is job-ready by graduation. The program includes multiple value-added certifications such as SAP training across modules like MM, SD, HR, and FICO, Advanced Excel and Power, BI Six Sigma, Greenbelt, Digital Marketing with Meta and Google certification, Financial Modeling and Investment Banking modules, HR Analytics and Talent Acquisition tools. Students also benefit from the WPLP, Winter Project and Learning Program, a 3-month practical internship that helps bridge the gap between theory and practice. IEBM offers multiple global exposure platforms such as international study tours, foreign language training, and international industry interface opportunities that broaden the global business perspective of students. When it comes to placements, IEBM has a proven track record of consistent success. Highest package, 14 lakh per annum, median package, 10 lakh rupees per annum. 400 plus recruiters across domains. Top recruiters include KPMG, Deloitte, Capgemini, TCS, Cognizant, Accenture, PwC, ICICI, HDFC Bank, Aditya Birla Group, ITC, and many more across consulting, BFSI, retail, and FMCG sectors. The campus is located in Hinjewadi, Pune's IT hub, and is fully residential with modern amenities. Students enjoy access to Wi-Fi-enabled classrooms, digital libraries, computer labs, fitness centers, sports facilities, and a strong community of driven peers and alumni. IIEBM is also known for its discipline-driven environment, where grooming, punctuality, and integrity are emphasized as much as academics, helping students build a professional attitude that stands out. Admission is based on entrance test scores, CAT, XAT, MAT, CMAT, ATMA, past academics, GDPI performance, and overall profile evaluation. So if you're looking for a business school that focuses on not just what you learn by Luki, but who you become, EBM Pune is a name you should definitely explore. Application fee is 1,000 rupees. Discount coupons are available for IEBM Pune. You just need to connect with us on the number below to get your personalized coupon code. Call us today to learn more about the admission process, scholarships, and how Advice Brother can help you get into IEBM. For more such videos, subscribe to Advice Brother and follow us on Instagram.